Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be talking about the book list or the books and resources that I used with regard to clearing JRF and GATE exam in English. So if you are an aspirant who will be sitting for exams like NET, GATE, CUET or any other state level exam with regard to English literature, then this video is for you. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. Without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So, the syllabus of English literature is vast, and it is so vast that you can't put a bracket or a boundary to it. But for my sake, I divided the syllabus into four major sections, starting with British literature, then modern Indian writing in English, then literary theory and criticism, followed by literary terms and world literature. So I will be discussing the relevant books and resources with regard to each of these four modules that I mentioned, starting with British literature. For British literature, I particularly follow David Deitch's volumes on the history of English literature, but I have heard some amazing reviews about Rutledge History of English Literature and also William J. Long's account on English literature and its history. So you can follow any of these three books that I mentioned. Apart from this, it is also very important for you to note that UGC NET exam or any other competitive exam, by the virtue of it being objective in nature, it is very important for you to also study objectively. By saying that you have to study objectively, I do not necessarily mean that you have to read on the surface, because now NTA and other institutions have started asking concept based questions. They are now digging the surface and they are now going into the depth of concepts and asking and framing questions. So it is very important for you to do everything in detail. But apart from reading the three books that I mentioned, any of those three books that I just mentioned, you can also pick up World Literature in Your Fist by Prem Shankar Pandey for your final revision. Prem Shankar Pandey's World Literature in Your Fist is objectively drafted, it has pointer based information, and it is really helpful for last minute revision. Moving on to modern Indian writing in English. So, when I started preparing for my exam, I picked up A.K. Mehrotra's A Concise History of Indian Literature in English. This particular book is amazing. It covers the basics, it covers how English came to India and how it made itself so popular that people and authors and poets started writing in it. Apart from A.K. Mehrotra, if in case you pick up the book and if in case you find the language a little complex, you can also pick up M.K. Nayak's A History of Indian English Literature. I have heard some great reviews from my friends about that particular book. So you can pick up any of these two books that I just mentioned with regard to modern Indian writing in English. Apart from picking up and doing these two books, you can go on Google and just randomly search for some contemporary writers, because NTA nowadays uh, is emphasizing on contemporary writers, and especially writers and poets who were writing after the 90s till early 2000s. So you can go on Google and simply make a list of writers who were writing post 90s, and do them accordingly. Moving on to literary theory and criticism. Literary theory, I think a lot of aspirants kind of feel literary theory to be the most difficult section, but trust me, if you do it properly, I think literary theory is one of the easiest sections of any literature oriented exam. So, for literary theory, I followed Peter Barry's beginning theory and P.K. Nair's contemporary and cultural theory. But you can pick up any of these two books that I just mentioned. I picked up both these books because I initially found Peter Barry's beginning theory a little complex, especially in the sense of how it's being written and drafted. Later, I made peace with the book and I was really happy and satisfied after doing beginning theory. But I picked up P.K. Nair's contemporary literal and cultural theory, and that book is equally amazing and well written and drafted. So you can pick up any of these two books for conceptual knowledge. Lastly, for the last area, which is literary terms and world literature, for literary terms, Glossary of Literary Terms by M.H. Abrahams is the best book in the market. I think it is a phenomenal resource to be used. Please use it to the core. Please do this book properly, revise everything timely, and I assure you that you will certainly clear the exam. It is the golden book for English literature exam aspirants. For world literature, you can again go back to Prem Shankar Pandey's World Literature in Your Fist. That book has sections on American literature, on African literature, on Canadian literature, on Russian literature, so on and so forth. Apart from these books that I just mentioned, I also picked up some random resources here and there and prepared my notes accordingly. I think one of the honest advices that I would give to aspirants is that you have to be open to learn new things. Wherever you are seeing something new or for the first time, go on Google, give it a random Google search, write down things, and then learn and revise accordingly. So, this was my book list that helped me clear JRF and GATE exam in English. I will also be making out a strategy video and some random tips and tricks videos. For that, you will have to visit my channel. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you really soon.